Hi everybody, I am here today with a brand new mini album. This is using Graphic 45's Season to Celebrate collection, and this is designed as a mini album kit that is available for sale on my website. So if you're interested in making this mini album, you can click on the link below to purchase that kit. All those supplies will be included for you to make this mini album. Now I will also be releasing a separate video that will go through what is in the kit and also go through the build for this album because it's a little bit unique. This is a flip through video though of the actual album itself. The album measures 6 1/4 by 7 3/4, has a 2 3/4 inch spine. I did make this cover, it's laser cut, and I also made this chipboard piece here for the window, and it is available as part of the kit, but I'm also going to be selling the cover on my website and my Etsy shop, so they will be linked in the description box below as well. Now this mini album it has a magnet here, but it also has this ribbon closure, and I've used all the different postage stamp pieces from each of the months or each of the seasons through each of those window panes, and I just fussy cut some flowers here just to give a little tiny bit of dimension on the front cover. Then when this opens up, I wanted to have another image here so you could see this on the front cover as well. Now this album has 4 pages. They are not pocket pages. They are designed a little bit differently. Since this paper collection has specific papers for each of the 4 seasons, I have 1 season for each page. And instead of having pocket pages, I have a front, a back, and an inside that will fully open up. So each of the 3 months per season is going to have 1 specific spread. Now here in the front pocket, I just do have a pocket, or on the front cover, I have a pocket with a 4x6 photo mat. I do have white photo mats that come as part of the kit. That way you can place your photo here, because I personally don't like to cover up that pretty design paper, and I like the look of the white breaking up the papers as well. Anything that is over the photo mat is open for that photo to slide behind. If you do purchase the kit, these pieces here are not cut for you. Everything else is, but these decorative elements are not. So if you just follow the tutorial, you will be having plain papers, and then you can personalize this however you choose. So there's a lot of options here for variety based on your personal style. Each of the pages has the 3 same layout designs for the pages, so you'll see a repeating pattern. This is magnetized here, and this is the first journaling card. So this starts with December, and you could journal here, you could put the dates for the month, or you could cover this with a photo. Room for a photo here. Now before we go into the rest of this, there is a pocket and there is a photo mat for 2 photos. This album actually holds 92 photos, 40 of which are 4x6 size, so it has a lot of potential for photos. Here we have another spread, and then we have a large 4x6 photo mat here, both sides, and this just tucks right behind that belly band. And then on the belly band, there is a little card that opens up, room for 2 more photos, or you could journal here if you don't like the smaller photo size. Now this is the December spread. That's the front of the page. Then the page opens up. This is the inside page, and this is the January spread. So we've got a counterpart piece here that the photo will tuck behind. I have a smaller photo mat here that holds this flap closed. This opens up, room for a photo there. You could place a photo on the page, or you could make another large photo mat and place a photo mat in there. There's plenty of paper left over, so you could add a bunch of additional things to this album. Now this is the January card. So again, you could journal on here or place a photo. Now here we have a smaller little card. It is tucked behind this so that there is room for journaling or small photos, and then a full-size photo here, and this is open so that photo can slide behind it. Moving on to the back of the page, we've got the 3rd side. this is going to be for February here. So we've got the February journaling card as well as a photo. This flips again. We've got room for a photo, and then we've got another small mat tucked here. And then this flips again, room for another photo. This flips up, room for 2 photos or journaling, and then the large pocket has another large photo mat. Now the rest of the page styles are same as the first signature or first page was, but I'm going to go through and show you the different pages so you can see those pretty papers. So we now have March. We've got that photo spread. We've got the photo mat here in this pocket. And then this whole thing opens up. Here is April. Then this just closes like that, flips open to the back side, and now we have May. Again, we've got our full-size photos here, our smaller photo mat, our little tiny card, and then our larger photo mat here. Starting for summer, we are going to have our June card, and then our photo spread. Then we have the photo mat here in this side pocket. Then this whole thing opens up and we have our July spread here. And all of these little pieces that I've cut are from the extra papers. There was plenty left over, so you can choose how you decorate yours, or you can leave it plain if you don't like to have anything over your photos. And on the back side, we have August. And then for autumn, we start with September. The small photo mat here behind this pocket. Then the inside spread for October. And then the back page, final page, is for November. And on the back cover of the album, I have another pocket that just has one photo mat, but there's plenty of space to add additional photo mats if you choose to do so. And this paper is just pieces that are left over from the actual cover itself. And if you didn't like this color here, you could always change it with some of the papers that are available to you. So that's the nice thing about the kit, is that these pieces are going to be cut for you. So you can just put the album together, but you can personalize it and change things up a little bit too if you choose to do so. So this is my Graphic 45 Season to Celebrate mini album. Like I mentioned in the beginning, it is available as a complete pre-cut kit, that includes all of the papers, the ephemera cards, the chipboard cover, and the chipboard window. It has the ribbons that you will need as well as the magnets. So basically all that you will need to put this album together is your own adhesive that you prefer, ruler, scissors, basic craft supplies. Everything will be linked in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing one of those kits. Now also, I am going to be listing this album here for sale, so if you're interested in purchasing the completed album that you see here, I will link that as well on my website, so you can go ahead and pick that up, and all you have to do is start adding your photos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.